Yo, what's good? Today in this video we are going to be doing multiple things to the tracker because it needs some love, you know. So it needs radiator. We're gonna probably weld the diff, winter tires. I don't know. There's a whole list. We gotta fix the frame. Oh, that's nice. My car light was left on. Hopefully it turns on. Well, I'm sitting here. The light was on. And it's just cranking. So I think my battery's dead. Gosh dang it, Haley, it's all your fault. Alrighty, we're here. Now it's time to get to work. That's what happened. Jeepers creepers. What are your thoughts?
Rusty. A little bit better than the plow truck.
Tires up, now you can really see the damage. Is that enough room? Took the front bumper off because it was wiggly and all that. We cut that. Alright, plenty of room here. Took the inner fenders out. This thing's ready to go, like hill climbing or something. Alright, so it's all around. And we're just gonna do right here in the angle iron. Because there's the fuel lines behind there. And we're gonna pull the frame with a couple on or something like that to the A arm to somewhere in the back of the frame. So it'll pull it together and then we'll plate it. This is how it looks. Barely clears, but it'll have a little more traction. That won't be good.
It'll be great after we play. Still have 2 more to put out.
I know, I'm just saying. And then,
Oh, it's supposed to be tax.
yeah.
Where's the hammer? I'm the welder. Fuck, I see. Oh, you didn't let it fall.
Yeah, just fucking put a blanket over me so it don't look like I'm standing here in this blown. Like, what's wrong with my fucking?
It's burning rings. Ooh, it's like a Minnesota firework. Ooh, my car.
It's in the computer.
What are we going to do?
There's a cop behind us.
Oh, there's a cop. Holy moly, there is. All right, we're going to another junkyard to hopefully find a radiator. We're fueling up. He's getting booed. We found a tracker. It's a Suzuki. Yeah. I don't think the radiators would be different for the 1.8 and the 2 liter. Dang it. The other one had a dipstick, but it's a V6, and mine is way longer. Because I was kind of hoping to have that. But you win some, you lose some. It's alright. Front wheels are on. Now, if only you could sit like this. Putting the radiator in. Alright, we're gonna have to leave here tonight. We'll come over tomorrow and figure it out. We're having trouble with the crank position sensor, the cam position sensor, something like that. And the coil packs and it, I don't know. It's having a misfire. So we're gonna figure that out tomorrow. You good? Well, what have we been struggling with?
Junk.
Yep. I don't know. What do you think is wrong with it?
What I don't want to be wrong with it.
And what's that?
Crankshaft position sensor.
Because then we'd have to pull the tranny and flywheel, and that'd be another video.